marked out the city wall. That is the first real Great Wall. The first real Great Wall, okay? So,
Okay. Epic Great Wall tour. You can see it right in the ridge. Walking up to the east gate, or the east side.
Oh, chestnuts.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here's the cable weight and slide is right to the right here. That's where we're going. Okay. Cable car up.
Whoa.
There we go, guys.
There we go. How safe is this?
And there's the toboggan right there. Look at that. Hey, there's the toboggan guy coming down. Oh, we can do that.
Looks like he's going really slow.
Something almost a mile high. All right.
Wow.
Almost at the top. And there's the toboggan run still. It is beautiful. Oh look, there's part of the wall over there. Can you see it? And then there's the wall over there in front of us. There it is. We'll get some more video of that shortly. Right. We're here. Oh wow. Oh, ma'am, gee. Am I supposed to walk that crap? All the way to the top? I don't know. We'll see. Oh, look. Here's total. And then stuff. Oh, okay.
If you want somebody wants to take a picture, you can go to downstairs, maybe like a 3 or 4 step.
Oh man. No joke. These are sharp steps. Slideway.
25 meters.
Start. Stop. Oh, that's simple enough. Oh, I'm overweight though. Alright, let's go to the slideway. Oh my. gondola taking it up to the west side of the wall.
Because there's so many trees, and we're completely enclosed, so I feel like it would, you know, soften the burden, soften the impact.
Alright, this is the view from the west end, going up to point 20. And that's about it. We're going to take the gondola down, and that all will bring our trip to the Great Wall to an end. So thank you guys for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and you guys have a great day.